Surprising facts about oysters you didn't know. Oysters are more than just a seafood delight. They're ocean superheroes. Explore how these mollusks purify the water, filtering out pollutants and supporting marine life. Did you know oysters can change gender? These fascinating creatures adapt over time, playing unique roles in their ecosystem and ensuring survival. Not only are oysters a gourmet favorite, but they're also packed with nutrients. Rich in vitamins and minerals, they're a powerhouse for your diet. Ready to dive deeper into the world of oysters? Embrace their beauty and complexity by sharing this video with fellow seafood lovers.